Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is a follow-up video that I wanted to show about these plumerias that I planted in the ground a month ago. So if you want to see the original video where I talked about planting these in the ground, follow-up video, I just want to show after a month the growth that's come on these. Now, again, as reiterated the last video, these were plants that we had pulled out of the ground or out of pots, and we had bare rooted them in the garage over the winter. We live outside of Houston, Texas. So just to give you an idea of our environment. So again, freezes, frost. So as soon as we knew there were no signs of frost, we went ahead, pulled them out, bare roots, and put them in the ground. So again, I just wanted to give people an update on this is the growth within a month. Last time we looked, these barely had any leaves coming out. One of them looked, I think it was this one, was already showing some leaves, but all the rest barely had little nubs. So I just wanted to show, like, within a month how much growth you can get. So patience, you can put them in the ground where we live. Unfortunately, you do have to dig them all up when you know it's getting close to winter time. Usually here you just have to range it. It could be October, could be November. Just we got to watch that weather. So I also thought, since I've been talking about plumerias, I figured in my videos going forward, I'll just talk about different ones that we have and just show the name and the color and what they look like. So let me move us, and then I will show you one of our plumerias just to give you a look. Okay, one of my favorites, it's called Aztec Gold. Name kind of tells you why. The yellows, the pinks, the smell is amazing. The other thing I like is just to put my hands next to them, you really get an idea how big the blooms are on these Aztec Gold. Once you get them going, they can get a little rubbery opposed to some of the others. Like you'll see this one will start leaning. Sometimes the blooms, we actually have to put a stick and kind of brace them because they'll start falling over sometime, other than other plumerias. So again, just want to show Aztec Gold. One of my favorite smelling plumerias. Relatively easy to grow, like most. This one is not a dwarf, so I will show dwarfs later on. They can be a little more temperamental. But yeah, just real quick, I wanted to show one of our mini colors and one of our mini varieties that we have here in the Night Garden, or Night Farms. Just kidding, just our garden. All right, hope you enjoyed. Just quick little pick. I'll put some close-up pictures after the video just so you can see them. All right, thanks for stopping by. Till next time.